Where does the name for Kingsland come from? So today I'm in Holyhead. There's an area just outside of it called Kingsland. Let's get into the name. So, Kingsland. It's a fairly straightforward name if you're an English speaker. It's the King's Land. But which king was it? Well, it was King George, who passed through here in 1821 on his way to Dunleary, and the place was named Kingsland in his honour. And actually, when he got to Dunleary in Ireland, that was also renamed into Kingstown for a while, before officially returning back to Dunleary. Now, the original name for Kingsland, and we know about this because of correspondences from the 1820s, people writing about it through letters, was Penllach Nest. Now, Penllach means a capstone or the top of a standing stone, and Nest is someone's name. So the name literally means the King's Land or Nest's capstone. Anyway, deal, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Deal, have a good one.